This is Halloween. This is Halloween. 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 Bunny ween. Halloween. In our home, drinking booze. Everybody thinks that we're big schmooze. Is clearly
Happy Halloween!
Clearly, drink has taken effect.
Happy
Cheers.
Halloween! It's my favorite time of year. And today,
You want a hit of this? Woo! Getting lit.
not sponsored. Today we have our reveal of our Halloween costumes, and it's not a bunny and a witch, but it kind of is.
Which bunny am I?
So, Jake picked out
Not a slutty
a
bunny.
makeup,
Yet.
it covers my face in a weird way, a makeup thing, inspiration for me to do, so maybe you guys can watch me put the makeup on, and then we're gonna get in our costumes and have a little reveal from our binge trip where we shop for each other's. And if you haven't seen that one yet,
Boom, there it is. Right.
somewhere
Located in
here or here,
probably over my face.
right here.
What I did for Erica's costume is I found some kind of prop elements, and then she's gonna interpret that and make it her own.
So basically,
That's the best thing. As in life, it's all about
make
perspective.
somebody else do the work.
And I have to do that much work.
And I got you a costume where you don't have to do any work except put it on.
Sounds dope.
So,
Sounds like my dream life.
okay, that's not staying on my head. And I think I'm gonna do another video showing what I do on Halloween night for the kids. I make treat bags, and we pop popcorn.
I do that.
And most of my stuff I thrift, so I thought like doing like a cute little. And this year I have a box full of books, so I'm gonna actually have a table of books, so the kids, if they want a book, they can grab a book.
Nothing's scarier than reading, kids. Terrifying.
All right, well, stay tuned. Halloween! I'm gonna do my makeup look. He wants like kind of ghostly white with some like graphic details. So, here we go.
This headlight's super bright.
Foundation.
Look at how bright that LED is.
Ah!
Found it at the bins. Ooh, this thing's dope. Throw this in the video.
Just kind of putting on a base layer.
Slap it at base.
And then I'm gonna do this cream white. I have a tip for white face paint. The like stuff from the Halloween store. I have some right here. That is like this. If you want your face white, this stuff, I mean this one's not a white one, but if it's a white one, does not cover, like it's like an opaque. It will be splotchy and won't cover. The best I have found is ordering it from like an actual SFX makeup, doing a cream and then a powder on top of it, or using water activated paint. Water activated paint I like. It takes a lot of layers of this stuff to build up I mean, I'm already pretty pale, but we want it to read on the camera. So this might take a little while. So maybe I'll fast forward it. Now I'm gonna do a little bit of propping everything. Smoky eye look. So I'm gonna take a gray. To be my base. I'm gonna take, these are water activated paints by Wolf Base FX, and just gonna take a little black. I need a little brush. This is where the fun part. So just a little, like, kind of like a paintbrush. Get it wet, and then the water. It's like watercolor. I banged my elbow.
Where? Damn.
Real hard.
We need to put some like
hard.
protective rubber on that.
Ow.
It's funny because now that I look at it, I'm like, that could kill someone. That is dangerous. But we didn't know.
All right.
This is a disclaimer. If you are squeamish, allergic to peanuts, or have other allergies, stay tuned. Am I supposed to be sexy? I don't know. Oh, yeah, she needs
Reveal.
Hope you guys enjoyed the video. Hit the sub. It's located right below this knit. And
who do you think won? I mean,
technically Erica did both costumes.
Yeah. So
I just brought props and let her imagination do all the work.
So what I used his, vines and stuff he got, and then the cape, I put this nightie on because I would have been naked otherwise. So
Good
the
problem.
cape I used, instead of as a cape, I put it around my waist, and I got this nice.
It's got a good flow to it.
Yeah.
This weed hat, this is actually going to go up for sale because it's from the 90s.
And this could sell too. I was
Oh,
like,
this definitely
and
will sell.
probably these
And
shorts.
these shorts.
I was looking for things to resell too. I always got that on my mind.
Good for video and good for resale.
I had a lot of fun. I gotta say, I was not optimistic about your things that you brought me, but
I'm a conceptualist, so I
you knew that I could bring
find the
my
bits and
creativity
pieces,
to it.
throw it on a canvas, and let you arrange the elements. And it's marvelous.
creepy bell.
And creepy.
I thought this was nothing, but it actually made the costume a lot creepier.
Props, baby. Props. I even packaged something in between the video being shot. Always working.
So I'm a weed witch and you're a weed tender.
Exactly. So let me tend to those weeds.
And with that, I say happy Halloween!